today we're going to be opening up these two lip balms. So these all you need to do is just like slip them up. And I also have this book, guys, what I wanted to show you like ages ago, and it's like really good. You can like put it in there, and it changes into a unicorn. Well, as it changes into a unicorn, wishes only. And guys, I also have something else to tell you. In 4 weeks, we're going to be doing a video sponsoring toys. So let's get started by opening up the two lip glosses. So just put this book here. So here I have my first one out. You can squish their eyes if you get the squishy one, and you see that little bit there. You just pull it up, and there might be some tape here. All you need to do is take off. All you need to do is take off. So this is actually a really squishy cover. It's really good for like using because you can like squish it up. Guys, and there's this one, and in the middle of there's actually holes, so you can squish them too. And they are scented. These are wee scented ones. I found this one was strawberry. No, this one was cherry. So it was here's the lip balm. I don't know what this. You never know what these taste like. So, what way do you open it? 1 minute. See what way you open it. I forget how you open these. 1 minute. These are kind of hard to open, so yes, we don't know what they're like here. 1 minute. So these are scented too. This one is supposed to be cherry. I've ripped up the paper. So this one's cherry and ice cream. I love the smell of it. I can't like stop. So here's what the lip gloss looks like. It smells like what's it smell like? Cherries too, and this is it's light pink. So let's get the other one opened. It just opens straight away. This one smells what this is supposed to smell like cherries, and it does smell like cherries. This is what it looks like, by the way. And this is what the other one looks like. They're both squishy too, and you can squish them like that. So yes, they're really fun and they're really good to be doing, and I love them too. So I do. So you can squish them all day. So that you can like squish them all day. Sorry about doing that. So these are really cool. I love them, and you can put them on your school bag. And this one is light pink, and this one's actually glitter. This smells like what's this smell like? It smells like blueberries, and yeah, that's really I love that. And here's the book. So I love this too. Oops, it's the wrong way. Yeah, I love it. And this is what the pages look like. There's like a lot of pages in it. So guys, that's the end. So I will see you later. Bye.